Welcome back to Tom's Garage. Boy, I tell you, early in the morning, that sun just beats right down in here. Ooh. Just thank goodness it ain't real hot. Hope everybody's doing well. And today, pal, it's a Toro Recycler 22. I know somebody up north that's got one of these. 7.25 Briggs Quantum Style Auto Choke. Boy, this thing has been rode hard and put up sloppy wet. Complaint was it was smoking, and now it won't crank. Let's find out why. Let's find out why. First thing I'm gonna do is check the bleed. Earl. Blade looks pretty good. Nothing's bent, nothing's crazy. Look at that air filter. Let's check it, then we'll check the Earl. Goodness gracious, look at that. That thing is completely soaked in oil. That thing is heavy and wet. Ugh. Ooh, that's gotta be part of the problem. Unless that carburetor's leaking. Yeah. Let's check the oil. Yeah, it's got about twice as much oil as it needs. There's the full mark, and that's where we are there. Too much Earl. Too much Earl in it. I'm gonna drain some of that oil down. Let's check the fuel. And it's got fuel in it, and it smells pretty fresh. Let's go around hither and drain some Earl. Get it back down to where it's supposed to be. Then we're going to see if we can crank it. And we'll let it run. If it smokes, we'll let it run until it, see if it quits smoking. Because I believe that's what the problem is. Too much Earl. Too much Earl in it. It's easy to do. Yeah, it's awful nasty looking. Let's see where that gives us on the stick. Give that a second to drain back down the tube. Yeah, we took that much out. We may have to take a little more. Or that may be enough, I don't know. That's why they make dipsticks. We want to find out. That's just barely over full, so I'm gonna run with that. Let's run with that. All right, put the dipstick back in. We're gonna see if it'll fire up. Hopefully that air filter being so nasty, it was just choking it out, wasn't letting it crank. Grab the flashlight, make sure the choke is working. It is. Everything seems to be working good. Okay. Let's lower the table down and take it outside. What the purpose of that is. We got zip tie crazy. That's broke. but it still works. Let's go around here and see if it's actuating. I need to make sure that kill wire is being deactivated, because that zone control cable being goofy like it is, it may not be deactivating that kill wire. You're still be making contact. Just blow all that crud off of it. Alright, now we can see it there. Pull the handle back, put my clamp on it. It's kind of hard to see. I think it's clear. I believe it's clear. All right, let's let her down, push her outside. I don't want to smoke up my shop this morning. Ain't that air hose, boy. All right, let's push it out here. And let's see if she'll fire. Let's see, we'll take it way on out here. That fan will just pull all that smoke right back in. We'll smoke out the neighbors. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. Okay. See if she'll fire it. Let me grab some carb spray. I got us another spark plug too, in case I believe that one's failed. We'll give it a little squirt. Let's see what that gives us. Ooh. I believe she's got a sheared flywheel key. Let me hit pause. Let's get this thing back on the table. I want to check it. Real quick. Wrong side. Yeah, let's check for a sheared flywheel key. I didn't see no telltale signs of damage on the blade or nothing. If something got hit, you never know. You never know. Ooh. Okay. We have got ourselves a sheared flywheel key. Look at yonder. This flywheel is spun 180 degrees out. By golly. See, there's the Little channel the key sits in, the keyway, and there's a key on this side. Well, looky there. Looky there. I say, let me grab a doohickey over here to pound that thing off. Grab a big old hammer. Grab yourself a BFH. Let's find somewhere good to pry. Oh, it may not be anywhere good on this side. Looks like a good spot right there to pry. Well, look at there, I ain't even got to pound it. It's just going to fall off for us. That's good. Cool. Sheared it off. Right there. Half a key. Take us a little something another to dig that out with. Here's the other half. Sheared it in half. All right, let's go dig out another key over here. We got 1 or 2 or 1,000. That's what it's supposed to look like. All the way down. Slide your key in the hole. Here we go. Oh, there's Ted. Now she'll run. Smoke and puke and barf and gag. That's all I will make it better. All right, grab the cover and put the cover back on there. Let's see, my camera's getting hot and the battery's running dead. I'm gonna hit pause. I ain't gonna make y'all watch me put it back on. When I come back, it'll be together. All right, she is back together. I should just let the camera run the heck. It didn't take 4 minutes. All right, here we go. Let's run out there one more time. All right. Well, all right, I'm gonna let that thing get hot so I can drain the oil out of it. Let it get done smoking. Well, thanks for watching another Tom Lummy video. Boys and girls, I gotta get this camera cut off because the battery's about dead. And I will catch you guys on the next one, man. Love y'all. Y'all be good.